guys, welcome back to my channel. Cannot believe that summer is over. It went by so fast. Summer is hands down my favorite season of the year, but I have to admit that as much as I love it, once the end of August rolls around, I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for pumpkin picking and trick-or-treating, or I mean, you know, handing out candy and all the fall festivals and activities that come along with the September, October, November months. So my reason for hopping on today is because I wanted to show you guys all the new fall decorations that I recently purchased from Christmas Tree Shop. Me and my husband bought our house about a year ago, and it was our first time moving out of our parents' house and owning a home, so we really didn't have any decorations. So I ended up going to Christmas Tree Shop a lot last year to pick up things because they are on the cheaper end, and I really didn't have all kinds of money to go out and spend on decorations because we were still being accustomed to getting paid bills and planning for a wedding and all that stuff. But anyway, so I picked up so many great things last year that I have to go back and check it out again this year and see what new stuff they had, and they had so much. And I'm really excited about all my purchases, and I can't wait to put them up. I'm kind of just trying to wait to get past Labor Day to do so. But anyway, so I wanted to show you all of my stuff. First things first is a fall staple, which are fall scented candles. This one smells so good. It is Chestnut Wood's Autumn Scented Candle. So it doesn't really have a pumpkin or apple scent or anything like that to it, but it's just called Autumn Scented Candle. It's in a cute little container. Can't really see because it'll glare. But anyway, so it smells really good. It'll match all the rest of my decorations, and it was only $5.99, which I think is great. It's a pretty good size too, and it'll last me the whole season. Next is this dish. To be completely honest with you, I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but it is $4.99, and I figured I can find somewhere to put it. So I think it would go cute either on our coffee table out there, and we could put the candle and some other cute little decorations on here, or it'll even go in our entertainment center. I'm really kind of undecided yet, but like I said, I will figure it out. Now when it comes to decorating my house for fall, no room is off limits. So that is why I had to pick up these cute little towels. They were $1.29 each. This one has a piece of pumpkin pie and says "Hello Pumpkin" on it. And this one says "Pumpkin Spice Everything," which is, you know, kind of ironic because unpopular opinion, but I do not like pumpkin spice lattes. But anyway, so I figured I can either hang these over the oven in my kitchen, or I even have a little shelf in my bathroom that has two towels hanging from it right now, and these would go good there too. Of course, for every holiday and season, I have to have a throw blanket. I purchased one last year that was white with gray and tan leaves on it, but I figured because we have a puppy this year and he sheds and also steals all of our blankets, I needed another one. And last year my whole thing, which my husband, it drove him insane, my whole thing with buying decorations is I wanted everything to match our living room. Like I wanted gray and tan and white, everything, like neutrals. But this year I am branching out. I'm very proud of myself. I am purchasing things that are colorful, like this blanket. It's super soft, super cute, and was only $7.99. So next is this table runner. It is like a burlap material, and the leaf designs with the glitter on them are also burlap. I saw it and I figured it would match my living room perfectly. My living room's all neutral colors like grays and this wood that is like a very light brown, almost gray color. I don't know the exact name of it, but I figured I could put this right across my entertainment center, and then I can put my decorations on top of it, and it'll be super cute. It was only $10.99, which is not bad. And then I have this super cute woven placemat that says "Hello Fall." Hello Fall, pumpkin. It was only $2.99, so I figured at a price that cheap, I would find a place to put it. But again, I think this would be cute either on my coffee table with the candle and some other things on top, or I have a little countertop island thing in my kitchen that has my toaster oven on it. I could probably put this on top of it as well with my fruit basket on top. But it's so cute, I just had to have it. So these next two things I figured I could put on one of the shelves in my living room. I have this issue with putting up shelves but never having things to fill them. So I needed to buy more fall decorations this year to, you know, make my living room look not completely empty. So I saw these two cute little figurines. First is this little owl, it's like a brown color, and it lights up. You can't really see here because it's daytime, but it's so cute. And then to go along with that, I got a brownish gray pumpkin, cute ceramic, that also lights up. Again, you can't really see because it's the daytime, but it's really cute, I promise. And they were really cheap too. The pumpkin was $9.99 and it's pretty decent size. And the owl was only $4.99. Okay, so this next thing is going to make me sound so ridiculous, and so many of you are going to say that it's so unnecessary. But in our kitchen, we have our dish drying rack, and underneath it we have one of those drying mats, and it's just plain gray right now. So of course, I had to buy a fall one. It kind of matches the blanket that I bought too. And I mean, it was only $3.99, so why not? So lastly, I got this welcome mat that says thankful and blessed. It's really cute. It matches our floor and it even matches the exterior of our house. So I'm undecided if it's going to go outside or inside just yet. The bottom of it seems like it's, you know, you can use it for outside, but I think it will look just as cute inside. And I mean, I have a front door and a back door that I can put it at, so I'll have to figure that out. I'm pretty sure I have one from last year as well. So I don't remember what that looks like though, so that'll be my deciding factor. But anyway, so this was only, I don't have the price tag on it anymore, I want to say $7 or $8. It wasn't expensive at all. I'm pretty sure the most expensive thing I purchased was the table runner at $10.99. So all of this was under $11, and you can guarantee that I will be going back to purchase more. These were just a few of the things that caught my eye during a quick trip there a weekend or so ago, and I just really wanted to share them with you. And I'm so excited to go try some other places to get some more fall decorations, and then wait until Christmas. That is a whole nother story. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any fall decorations that you think are super cute, or places that you know of that have really cute fall decorations, please let me know, because I am more than willing to go see what they have and more than likely going to purchase something.